A very good morning to everyone. So today is Saturday and I have come out here on the road in between Changlang and Jerampur. And I came here specifically today because I'm looking for some fresh organic vegetables. It's a weekend and I want to get hold of something that is organic, something that I can eat without thinking twice. So I'm going that side where we can find a couple of villages, and I'm pretty sure that I'm going to get good organic vegetables, and once I get it I'm going to show you. So right now I have just reached a village here called New Jukhi, and as I've told you that there is a couple of this stall being erected by the villagers here, and I'm lucky to come here early in the morning, and I'll just show you what things do we have here. So this is pomelo. Ito kiman kore di ase?
Ito,
Uh,
ito 20 toka.
So this is like एक का 20 रुपये हो गया ये, और इतो pineapple
Ito 50.
50.
Ah.
Okay, और इतो this is like banana flower. Okay, so not much vegetables, very less. इतो मैं दिखा सकता, but I'll show you guys something very interesting. When I inquired, मुझे बताया गया कि ये rice cooked on a bamboo. So this is, I love this one actually. This is my favorite. So this is the sticky rice that they have cooked. This is red sticky rice. This is absolutely delightful to eat. So I'm going to get this, and I'm not going to miss this. I'm so lucky to get this this morning. यार किमान दिया से किमान तो का?
Ito,
इतो सब तो किमान?
Sop da, so toka ko.
100 तो का?
Ah, sop to.
सब का ना, तो ये सब का 100 रुपये बता रहा है. ठीक है, तो ये हमको दे दीजिए. इतो मैं लूँ. So I'm gonna get this, and my father, he loves pomelo. He is a huge citrus fruit eater, so I'll get couple of these and also some pineapple. This pineapple, it looks exactly the one that I made video of, tall, but it is not as big as the previous one was. So I'll get itu मीठा है, मीठा होगा,
से दो.
मीठा होगा ना. तो when normally winter में pineapple, I don't know whether it's going to be sweet or not, but as per the owners, he said it's sweet, so I'll get 2 of these. itu ভাঙা আছে তো না?
Ito mati de gira ko na. Ito singi se dos.
কেতিয়া চিঙা আছে?
Uthuni.
সেইটো না হ'ব.
Uthuni singi bole.
তেতিয়াহ'লে মই
Mati de gira ka na.
तेरे मैं तब तो इसको लेगा. हाँ, ये दो और ये एक. कितना होगा? किमान होगा?
Ito 50.
100. itu किमान एक तर?
20 toka.
140. 100, 200, 240 ना. So I got a very good deal, and I'm very lucky to get that bamboo rice actually. That's very delicious. So anybody coming over here, don't miss the chance to eat this one. So now let me pay. तो अभी तो इतना ही हुआ है. I'm hoping कि आगे का एक दो बस्ती में मुझे कुछ मिले, ख़ास तौर से वेजिटेबल्स, और ये एरिया भी थोड़ा वेजिटेबल्स से फुल हो, ताकि लाइक आई शुड बी डन विद ये आने वाला वीक का जो वेजिटेबल्स मार्केटिंग है. सो लेट्स हॉप ऑन एंड search for vegetables in another village that comes after this New Jukhi village. Now, I'm here at another village called Lunglung, and I have found that there is another such stall which are selling organic produce. So let's go and check it out. So let's see what is there, what we have here. They don't have much this weekend, so there is this banana, and this is like, what is this? Okay, squash koi nahi. Apni ko asle squash na naam to. She's calling it a squash, like, but I don't know, like, I'm seeing it for the first time. And she told me that it's good, like, when you boil it or fry it. I don't know. Maybe my mother, she'll know it better. And she just has this ginger. So only this 3 items is here. So I think I'm still going to buy it. Yaar kiman ko asle daam to?
Ito data to.
2 ka 30 rupees na. Are ito?
Ito 20.
20 rupees na. ठीक है. I think I will purchase this squash. इतो दे दियो ना. And हाँ, और थोड़ा सा अदरक ले लेते हैं. ये तो हर चीज़ में चलता है, ये सब्जी से लेके चाय तक. So 30 and 20, the prices are very reasonable, like especially in such kind of stalls. So I never bargain also, because these are hard earned produce, so there's no point of bargaining. Even if she would have told me that this costs 30 bucks, I would have given her 30 bucks. But no bargaining for such stalls. So, ठीक है. Thank you, भाई. So from Lung Lung, I have got this squash and ginger. I'm in the next village here. As you can see behind me is the Hadab village, and here also I have found one such stall. And there's one old lady, she's there sitting, and I'm going to get there and see what she is selling. So here it is. Sabji belik nahi na? Banana. So we have got banana here. We got kochu, yam is there. Then we got some papaya. And this is bamboo shoot. कोई भी अरुणाचली बिना इसके तो नहीं रह पाएगा, that's for sure. Almost all the northeastern states, except for the mainland India, where they don't take it. So I think I'll get some banana. Ito kiman diya sa ba ito? 60. And this is. Aro ito kilo niki.
Kilo besi hoy.
Ito kiman diya sa?
Ito भी 60.
60 ना? हो वो यहाँ पे एक ले लम 60. अरे इतो तो पपीता तो 40 ना? इतो एक ले लम. बेलेग सब्जी नहीं ना, पत्ता सब्जी. Okay. So that's all we have here. I got one banana and one yam packet and one papaya. And the very good thing about this kind of shop is you have this QR code available here. No need to bring your cash. If you run out of cash, no problem for any payment. So I'm gonna make payment. Let's see how much it all adds up to. Kimano say yaar 60 na? 60, 60, 120 plus 40, 160. 160. Okay, ठीक है से 160. But I think I'll not use the QR since I already brought some change for this. I'm going to pay her in cash. Ito lag ba ito? Size out. Thank you. So I'll just show you once again. This is the thing that I got. Actually, I was looking for green leafy vegetables, some beans maybe or some chilies, but I didn't get those. It seems I'm purchasing a couple of fruits today. So this shop, these are the stalls that you find along the road everywhere in Arunachal Pradesh. I should not call this small stalls. They should be named as a pure organic shops in our state. Yeah, because they are selling organic. I don't think they are using pesticide or any fertilizer to grow those bananas or grow those papayas. Thank you, Baido. Thank you so much. So this is today's purchase. This is purchase that I got. And now time to load it up again. And let's see how much did I earn today. Just give me a second. खुलजा समसम. Not much vegetable. Vegetable के नाम पे मुझे बस आज ये याम जो कोचू कहते हैं वही मिला है. बाकी मुझे लगभग 3 तरह का fruits, banana, pineapple and pomelo. And this one is my favorite one, sticky rice cooked in a bamboo. मैं दिखाऊंगा आप लोगों को किस तरह से दिखता है, किस तरह से टेस्ट करता है. चलिए. So guys, मैं आप लोगों को दिखाना चाह रहा था कि ये हो गया आपका bamboo cooked rice, sticky rice cooked in a bamboo. I'll show you how it looks like. ये दिखता कैसा है. So there are different shapes and sizes of bamboo. लेकिन यहाँ पे I love this size of bamboo size where they cook this sticky rice, because this is very bite size. You can easily pick it and easily eat it. So this is how it looks. You can see this is bamboo, and they have already peeled off the hard portion of the bamboo, so only the softer one is holding the rice in it. And as you can see, inside here is your red sticky rice. So since they already peeled out the hard portion of the bamboo, the softer one is easily you can peel it off. This is how you peel it off. The satisfaction level is so much so. Everyone does that. I know those who have tried this one earlier, they know how it feels to peel this bamboo off the rice. See, this is how it looks. And you know, one very interesting bit about this sticky rice cooked in a bamboo is after it gets cooked, there is this thin paper-like layer. It gets stuck to the rice and it adds to the taste a lot. So let me try it how it tastes. This never disappoints me. That's why I'm a very big fan of this rice cooked in the bamboo. Texture wise, it is soft and sticky. Taste wise, it's just heavenly. I love it. किसी को खाना हो तो आइएगा, मुझसे contact कीजिएगा so that like I can bring you guys here where you can find it. It goes very well with the tea early in the morning. You can take it as a breakfast. You can also take it as a snacks whenever you want to eat. Just phenomenal. I'm loving it. चलो ठीक है तब तो today I just got some fruits, mostly fruits, not much green vegetables, but I'm happy that I got all the organic stuff. So I'll try to come back again next time and let's see what else we can get, what other vegetables we can get. Until then, take care. Ciao for now.